we're out. Chilly ad day. Got some new gloves for stunting. I just wanted to ride with them today. I got a little boo-boo on my knuckle from work doing alignments. So the little caps for the knuckle on the Alpine Star gloves rubbing on it, and it's low-key infected, so it's really irritated. So these gloves feel a lot better. Christmas I got what's it called, the quad lock charging head, so my phone's charging. Is pretty sick. Oh my god. Yeah, we're just gonna go out, little cruise, little motovlog. I ain't really got nothing to do right now. Girlfriend's taking a nap and I wanted to ride. It's kind of cold, but I haven't ridden the S1K since I got in the Grom. I rode it to work one day, but that was it. I'd be lying if I didn't want to do some wheelies on this thing, but I don't know. I don't know how I'm a fare. I'm hitting balance point on the Grom, but Grom in this thing is a whole lot different. God, this thing feels so good, so good. Woo! I don't know where my mask went, so now my hot eye breath is fogging up my visor, even though it got the little whatever the thing is. We got the AWACS out, so that's what my dad used to do. When he was in the Air Force, he was there doing that stuff. But it looks like the AWACS are gonna fly right over us. That's a really loud plane. Old plane too. That's pretty sick, boys. Oh, so I didn't want to talk about the future plans of this channel. Obviously, we got the build for this. I want to keep progressing on wheelies on the Grom and do like a whole like stunt series with that bike. And then this is going to be the Cloud Chaser bike for all the Instagram reels and YouTube shorts and Facebook whatever's, TikTok. But I do want to go to the track. Big thing, I am moving to a different state soon, so I don't know how that's going to affect the YouTube. I'm not even sure if I'm going to take this bike there yet, because everyone that I know that can work on this bike is here or in Texas, so I don't know what the plan is. I don't got no one behind me to trip this light, but yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna take this bike. That's a Stark Varg right there. He's gonna get down nasty and at the lake. Like I said, all the tuning. I mean, I install parts myself, so that's not really the issue. But I'm not sure which route I want to take for tuning the bike. If I just want to do like a flash, or if I want to do like a full dyno tune on it, because I don't know what I'm planning. I mean, I know the horsepower number I'm thinking of, but I don't even know if it's viable for this year. So we'll see. wheelie in this thing. I mean, it's not as scary as it used to be. Like, I wasn't like afraid of it like I was before. Ooh, it's a beautiful day out here though. A beautiful, beautiful day. Besides it being a little chilly, but it looks good. People are out. I'm outside. I love it. I think they fly RC planes over there. But look at this. So nice. So beautiful. I loved it. I love this route. But look at this bike. Look at this view. Look at that view. Life is good. Like this year, I don't even really want to get into it, but this year really did suck for me. There's a lot of good things, but like I just felt like I kept on getting beat down every time. I got my dream bike and I got this amazing girl that supports what I do, but those are two things out of 365 days of the year. Those two things made it bearable. So it's been a hell of a year, and there's gonna be a lot more cool shit to go on. Also listening to the Suicide Boys new album, fire. I love how they found Christ like I did, because I low-key stopped listening to them because of the songs that they made. But they were in a dark time, and that's what I was in. That's why I connected with them, and I found God and started going to church, and same thing with my girl. And then like I just kind of stopped listening to that style of music because it didn't resonate with me anymore. And now I like still listen to them time to time, but now I heard the new album and it brought back all these memories, and I was like, damn, they're getting saved too, so this is really cool. See, that used to scare me. I think that was an undercover cop. We're gonna stop by my favorite place to take pictures. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys don't know about this, but I stripped the tank and brushed it so you can see it really good. I didn't use the right clear, so when I went to fill up my bike, I spilt some gas and it messed up the clear coat. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Beamer. I never really got him too high on this thing because I always got scared of how quick it popped up. But doing the wheelies with the Grom from standstill to straight up like that, it feels like this. So it makes it a lot more comfortable. It just sounds more aggressive with this thing instead of the little bubbly one cylinder 125. The little this is like wow, and it just sounds scarier to the head, to like your mind. It's like holy shit, you're revving it high as fuck. It's the only thing I could think of is why I get scared now with this bike is that fact that it just sounds a lot more aggressive than it is. Well, it is aggressive. It's a 1000cc motorcycle, but you know what I mean. Man, what happened to this guy? Sheesh. That felt good. Oop, slippery. Come on. This is tire. I need to get a new tire for this bike too. This tire is old, and it's like a sport touring tire. The Pearly Angel. It's a really hard compound, and I think I should take the return spring, because there's a little bit of brake before I actually, like a little bit of travel before I actually hit the brake, because there's a spring that holds it up. I got confused. I forgot I was GP shift. Yeah, it's just a sound that, like, it sounds really aggressive, so I feel like I'm just gonna fly. Another thing is the brakes on the Grom, like I can overpower the throttle with the brakes. I know I can't do that with this, so with the Grom I can like really stay in the throttle and just use the brake. This one I kind of have to like modulate, I think, or maybe I just suck. I'm not too sure. God, this bike is so cool.